In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subpages to your Wix website. If you're looking to organize your site's content more effectively and improve navigation for your visitors, adding subpages is a great way to do just that. Whether you have a portfolio site, a blog, or an online store, subpages can help present your information in a clear and accessible manner. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow to achieve this. First, you'll need to head to the Wix website editor. Simply log into your Wix account and access the website editor from your dashboard. Once you're in the website editor, look towards the left side of the screen and click on the Pages and Menu option. This action will open up a panel that displays all the pages currently on your site. It also allows you to add and organize your page structure. Next, you will want to choose the specific page under which you would like to create a new subpage. Have a look through your existing pages in the Pages and Menu section and select the main page that you want to expand. Once you've decided on the main page, focus your attention on the three dots that appear next to the page name. These three dots are an options menu icon that provides additional functions. Click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll see an option to create subpage. Click on Subpage, and Wix will prompt you to either create a new subpage or select one of your existing pages to become a subpage of the previously selected main page. If you're creating a new subpage, Wix will guide you through the setup for this new page, including naming it and adjusting any settings or design elements you may want to customize. Alternatively, if you're using an existing page, you'd simply click and hold onto the desired page and then drag it beneath the main page. As you do this, ensure it's slightly indented to indicate that it's now a subpage of the main page. Organizing pages this way makes your website more intuitive for visitors by grouping related content together. For instance, if you're managing an online shop, having subpages for different product categories under your main shop page can enhance a user's experience by allowing them to find products easily without rummaging through unrelated information. And there you have it. A straightforward process to enhance your site structure through the addition of subpages on Wix. Incorporating subpages not only streamlines your site's navigation, but also contributes to a more organized and professional-looking website. It's a small but significant step towards creating a more polished and user-friendly web experience. Happy editing!